This is my project FitSphere, which has been exclusively built on the Octo SDK. I have integrated Octo SDK into it, which uses the Google authentication. Let's do Google login and sign in with Google and select through Manjanda. We have Google logout, Google logged in, and next we use Octo Authenticate. Here it uses its API function authenticate, and our result is true. The status changed to logged in, and we are now redirected to our home page. This is the name of FitSphere app, name FitSphere, which has been built on Octo. It is basically a health related app. This is the home page, this is the static content, and let us go here and click on no more, and we are rendered here to profile setup page. We upload picture here. Let us and select any random picture and type name, and this is connect wallet button, and we click on it and we see inspect, and we see that we are obtained with wallets array that contains all the networks that we have enabled on the dashboard of the Octo, and uh, and we click on setup profile. Here actually the smart contract written by me hasn't been able to deploy it due to some error on the remix internal JSON RPC error, so I couldn't work this function. That was setup profile. It actually creates a user on chain with the smart contract that I have written, and it renders us to the progress page. Progress page shows you all the clubs that have been created for the sake of fitness. The admins have created, uh, and due to contract not being able to be deployed, we don't have any on chain, but the interface of that page looks like this, uh, which would show here the details that we have entered when we create a club. If we click on create new club, we are a club creation page, and we enter the club details, joining fees, minimum calorie burn, minimum steps, minimum running distance, minimum walking distance, and we click on transact. What happen is the transaction is intended to run uh, for on-chain smart contract, where a club is created in our smart contract. Our smart contract basically here has user model structure, club model structure, health goal, reward calculation structure, and all the mappings create, all the functions have been created to do so. Just and After creating a club, we are again rendered to progress page, that which is intended to happen in normal flow. There is also a page that is health goals, uh, which basically appears before the uh, which basically selects this and saves about the user, so that we are shown the clubs that are shown with sort of join any club we are posed with the option of this my progress and simulate workout. Whenever we click on the simulate workout, we are rendered to the page of watch simulation, where basically we give the input about the health, the parameters that we have covered, and there is a clock going on, and whatever the value we set, and it gets into this log modal. And when we click on this log, uh, basically what happens is, again the transaction happens and data is stored on chain about the health goal model that we have created in the smart contract. And basically and our progress get updated in it. And whenever our progress get filled with all the parameters, then we could claim the reward. In my smart contract, I have written that I need to update it. 90% of money is being returned and 10% of the money is being kept by admin to create a financial model for admins to earn, and sort of people can get incentives by getting their almost money back by doing the physical activities, which also contain keep a motivation among them. Whenever we connect wallet, our address uh, get updated here. This by default I have set it to the base network address. And the thing I was talking, that my progress tab is it is actually not being rendered just because in this progress page the new profile couldn't be toggled due to no any profile being enabled. So the progress tab isn't shown, and this is where the mapping of all the club data